With the help of 4 upper sweeping brushes of the advanced engineering product Tesla X3000, hair, fluff, etc. on the carpet surface can be removed. Particles are removed and separated. The lower part of the carpet placed on the conveyor belt is effectively cleaned with the improved brushing system. The substances separated with the help of brushes are sent to the dust chamber by means of vacuums operating at high speed and having a power of 3,000 cubic meters. The Tesla X3000, which provides an ergonomic usage experience by preventing the carpets from being damaged during transportation with its belt system, makes it possible to access the entire system with its mechanical control panel. This machine, which has a monthly capacity of 60.000 square meters, provides speed control according to the characteristics of the carpet being cleaned, allowing a user-friendly use and providing effective cleaning on carpets of different thicknesses with its specially designed elevator system.
Euromac, smart choice in the cleaning industry. Check out all of our machines now.